And it is not simply you are not talking through act. Shastra itself says. It gives examples of pots, clay, ornaments, gold, and iron instruments, steel instruments, and steel. Okay. There it says, Tadanyatam Paramudabdadibhyaha. That is Brahma Sutra. What is it? Acharam Brahmikaranam Murtige Keva Satyam Adha Samyekena Mutpanya Samam Vijnanam Sat. That is, that which is prepared out of clay. If you understand clay, you understand everything. Why? Because things made of clay are not different from clay. Therefore, all things are there are also true. Clay is only one thing is there, that is also true. How things are reconciled? Parts and jugs, etc. are not different from clay. You have to talk only like this. This is called Sarvatma. You should never say that Jagat is not there. Okay? Just by telling a double negative complex sentence, you can't conceive your ignorance. Okay, you ask an explanation, they will give some logic to the sentence or telling this also that they have taken care of everything. So much of crooked logic is not necessary for presenting Vedanta. It is plain. Okay? Therefore, never say that Jagat is Mithya, or never say Jagat is Asat. You can't say either. You have to say Jagat is also Brahman. That's the answer. Okay? Now go on seeing. How many, in fact, such Vakyas are in hundreds, not one or two. See. Yasmin Brahmani Pancha Janaha Avyakatakhya Otancha Protancha Amritam Brahmanye Aham Nachaham Atmanam Tato Anyatvena Jane Yasmin Brahmani Pancha Janaha Avyakatakhya Saram Otancha Protancha. What does it mean? Means everything that you are seeing, starting from Abhyakrita to downward. Panchapanchajanaha means Raksha, Devata, this, that's all, everything. In Brahman, they are Ota, Prota, warp and woof. You say cloth, 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 cloth. You are saying cloth. You are using it as a cloth. You are seeing cloth. You are not denying it. Whether cloth is this way or that way, it is only cotton. You may call it as cloth. For a certain vyavahara, you call it as cloth. That you need not say, we don't permit you. Because there is use, you can do that. But what about this stuff? Stuff is only God. Odancha Prodancha. Okay. And there is Amritam Brahma. See, this cloth simply torn. Even that is torn. As cotton it remains. In fact, old silk sarees, all that, they will take away and they will do samskara. Once again, it is silk. Therefore, similarly, Jagat is coming and going, but Brahman is Amritam, Amritam Brahma. Okay. And now, with the help of the grace of God and Veda, Amritam Manya Brahma. I am Brahma. Atmanam tado anyatena na jane. I am not taking myself as different from it. Brother, okay? From that you have to notice, Jagat is not different from him. Kshetrajna Jiva is not different from him. Is it not so? Don't you see a Jnani is there? The moment one attains Jnana, his body does not die, the rest of the Jagat does not vanish. Does he say, I don't see anything? Does he say that? He continues to see everything. Therefore, it's a plain question. What do you mean by telling that is a Jagat is Asa? Jnani is also saying it. Then what is your objection? Have you understood? Why talk Vedanta in a roundabout way? See, all these flurry languages is only to conceal ignorance. They are not intended to explain. Okay? Next, see. Sacha Bhashyaloko नास्ति अस्माकं आत्म व्यतिरिक्तः सर्वं हि अस्माकं आत्मभूतमेव सर्वस्य वयं आत्मभूताः. What does it mean? Oh, Bhashyaloka, the outer world, no, for us, they are not different from us. The Rishis are telling, Kautya Rishis, they are not different from us. Sarvam Yasnam Atma. Everything is Atma. In fact, we are the Atman of everything, both. I am the Atman of everything. And, oh, I am myself the Atma of everything. What happened is, some rishis, they wanted to have a clear-cut idea of karma and then perform karma. So with the intention of doing karma, they come. They go on discussing about karma. And say, let us discuss more fundamentally. The moment you say karma, it means there is a karta, and a kriya, and a phala. What is this kriya? What is this phala? What is this karta? They went on investigating. Then they came to know that the cause of everything is only Atma. This is, everything is ours. What is it to do karma? Let us go. And they will tell me. Actually, I think in Bhagavata it comes, or Mahabharata, I don't know. Daksha Prajapati sends his sons. See, they are all Prajapatis. Therefore, it is our duty to produce children. Therefore, but see, it's not simply having sex and producing children. It's not like that. You have to do tapas. Because you have to get great sons, you have to do tapas and get good children. He sent them. They all came. And since there is Narayan Saraswati, they went there and they went on talking about this. Narada enters. Who are all of you? Why have you come here? No, we are like this, Prajapati. Therefore, we also want to have Praja. Then he tells in a puzzle. See, there is one Raja, very huge kingdom. But there are no Praja at all there. But like this, he gives some riddle. Do you know what this Rajyam is? You think about it, and then you do your Prajapati. They went on thinking about it, and finally they concluded, Hare, my son, there are no Praja in my Rajya. I am the only one. And this entire wide world is there. And that is also my son. Therefore, there is nothing like doing any karma in the winter. Dr. Prajapati inquired, such thing as that. He was very angry with Narada. So, he sent a second batch of children. Narada came then and told, another group had come here. Oh, who are you? They are brothers. Okay. Here, why they went to where they have gone? Inquire. And Narada went away. They inquired, and also not this Sattva, and they also left. Dr. Prajapati was furious. And he called Narada and told, I am cursing you. You will always be roaming in the world. But I am extremely glad you have cursed me like this. I will take this curse. And he went away. Then Dr. Prajapati sends his daughters. Okay? So why does he say is, in Shruti and Puranas, everywhere, this is the same thing. They went to do karma. Actually, they realized that everything is Atman. Therefore, they gave up karma. This is what is true. Well, Purvam avidyaya asarva asi punar vidyaya avidya apane sarvo bhavati. Previously, I was asarva. I was not everything. I am only this. And everything else is there. I was asarva. Afterwards, by the grace of God, Vidya came, Avidya left. Now I am Sarva. What does it mean? I was already Sarva, but only I did not know. Okay? Bolo? Tadidamakketari evam veda aham brahmasmi saidam sarvam bhavati. See, he is telling about okay, that's correct. Now, Sri Vamadeva. Vamadeva. In his Purjanna, he has completed everything. Some remaining thing is there. He took a Janma. When he took a Janma, the moment he came out of the Garbha, he shouts, I have understood that I am not. Aham Magaram Suryashcha. I was myself Surya. I am myself Surya. I was myself Manu. Okay. After hearing this, they will say, don't think it is only for Vamadeva. Anybody who comes to know Aham Brahmasmi, then Idam Sarvam Bhavati. He becomes all this. It may be Devatas, it may be Rishis, it may be anybody. One who knows Aham Brahmasmi, he becomes everything. be able to see what is it that you have to know. Jagat is not denied. Jagat is there. My jnana becomes that I am everything. My jnana is in two ways now. When my attention is outside, I am everything. When my attention is inside, I am nothing. I am just Kevala Swarupa. Both are there. Okay? I mean, in the limited sense, you look at even Pratyekatma. Pratyekatma is nobody, just to continue, he simply exists. That's all. But is he himself not becoming Nata Prajna, Vish Prajna? Therefore, if Pratyekatma says, I am myself Vish Prajna also, I am myself Nata Prajna also, is it wrong? It's not wrong. Similarly here also. Okay. See this third mantra. Lokastam paradriyam yatra punolokam veda. Brahmatam paradriyam yatra punobrahma veda. Kshatram paradriyam yatra punokshatram veda. Lokastam paradriyam yatra punolokam veda. Vedastam paradriyam yatra punovedam veda. Sarvantam paradriyam yatra samam veda. What does it mean? Look at this Brahmana Jati. Look at this Kshatriya Jati, etc. How many Jatis are there? Okay. Suppose somebody says, this Brahmana Jati is different from me. This Kshatriya Jati is different from me. These lokas are different from me. Vedas are different from me. All this is different from me. Suppose he says, okay, you know what happened? That Sarvam Loka says, look at this fellow. You are an Atman. He is an Atman. He is separating from Atman. Therefore, he is unfit for moksha. They curse him, Paraduru. Okay? Just to be here. What does it mean? That seeing the outside Jagat as different is a mistake. Have you understood? The mistake is, seeing the Jagat is not a mistake. Seeing the Jagat as different is a mistake. Is it not explained clearly? Vidya Vinaya Sampanne Brahmane Govastini Nini Uchupakesha Pandita Smadarshana. That is, this Pandita, he is seeing Vidya Vinaya Brahmana. He is seeing the cow. He is seeing the infant. He is seeing a dog. He is seeing a chandala. He is seeing everything. But in seeing there is no difference. But how does he see? He sees all of them equally. He doesn't differentiate. Therefore, why differentiate? Everything is myself. Okay. See, this Bhashvakya. Read it? I will tell you. Yo hi Brahma Kshatrādikam Jagat Atmano Anyatra Labdha Sadbhavam Pashyati Swatantrena Tam Mithya Darshanam Tadeva Mithya Drishtam Jagat Parakaroti Bheda Drishtim Apodhya Idam Sarvam Yadayamatma Iti Sarvasya Vastujatasya Atma Avyatirekam Avatari. This sentence I will word by word I will explain. See carefully. Yo hi Brahma Kshatrādikam Jagat Atma Anyatra Swatantrena Tasbhapisha. Somebody here. What he is doing? He is doing this Brahma Kshatradikan Jagat. This Jagat. Atmano Anyatra. As different from himself. How? Swatantrena. Independent. That is different. I am different. You can't tell me different. It exists. I am also existing. Swatantrena labdha sadbhavam prashiti. It is there. It is different from me. It says, Tam mithyadarsham. This person who is saying is a mithyadarshi. You understood? Mithyadarshi. Mithyadarshi means what? He is not seeing properly. Okay. What is correct darshana? It is not different. That is correct darshana. He is seeing different. Therefore, he is mithyadarshi. What does it do? Tam, him, he says, Tayeva mithya drishtam jagat. Note this word carefully. What is mithya drishtam jagat? Mithya drishtam means, I am seeing it as different. That is mithya drishtam. Therefore, the definition of mithya itself, the definition of the word mithya itself is not clear here. Seeing something as different from me is called mithya. Seeing yourself is not mithya. Seeing the world, that world is not mithya. Seeing, if I say it does different, it is mithya. Okay? Why it is mithya? See the logic here.